Alright, here is a 16-inch Hunter box fan. It's 2 speeds. As you can see, it's been very poorly painted over by someone. I don't know who, but I found it in the garbage. It's too bad. They clearly didn't take it apart to repaint it. Put that down. It's got a shroud on it. So it's definitely a nicer fan. It's really, what I really like about the fan is that you can, in order to take the grills off, it's got these little like tension clips in the bottom here, so the grills are really easy to take off. Just take it off with both hands. Oh, that almost fell. I'm gonna put that down here. Got it sit on top of a mini fridge right now. Blades are nice and wide. It's really quiet too. The motor is huge in here. The vents are really big too on the inside. You can even tell that the paint unfortunately got inside the motor and got on the coils. Here's what the back looks like. It even says Hunter on the back, which I really like. That's kind of cool. And it's got a horizontal motor mount. And you can see there's little rubber grommets on there to keep it from vibrating. Like I said, it's really quiet. Back on. Unfortunately, I broke the switch. It's not lined up with it. The knob doesn't work anymore. There's supposed to be 2 of these little fins, and they're supposed to grip the this part of the knob, but I broke it. So I might have to get a new switch. But I can still twist it by hand. So here's high. It's very quiet. It's right up to speed. Moves a nice air. I haven't done a thing to this fan. I haven't oiled it or cleaned it or anything. Just picked it from the trash and runs great. This is what the original color was like. It's probably originally like a beige color. And I'll show you what the, I actually know what the original color looks like. I've actually taken this off before. You can take these 2 screws off. And so I'll go ahead and take it off here so you can see what the original color looks like. Come on, line up. Here. Ooh, it's a little gross. It's very gross, actually. That's probably what that's definitely what the original color was. Just beige. Let's see it again on the side of the handle here. You can see where the paint seeped in. That's it on this one. I definitely plan on restoring this one. I definitely want to repaint it. It's a cool fan and I'd like to have it in the house, but it looks really nasty right now. So that's it for this video. There's more to come. And,